Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much you guys for tuning in. Very much welcome. My name is Pilile. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys, please kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. So now you guys, we all know this was Political Matters channel, as I have now decided to change it to reviews channel. Okay, for reasons you guys, we just decided politics is not, yes, we can do politics, we were doing it very well, we were okay, but due to what we see things happening, Matlanga Commission, Eto Committee, na yonke into you guys, sometimes when I watch other people saying this person called me, this person, I realize that sometimes the politics can be very dirty, you know what I mean? So with everything that is happening, the people that we speak about, sometimes they do not like what we're talking about, people that are exposed, you make videos about them and all that. I decided to no, you know what I mean? I love my peace, so I leave all that thing that have to do with posting the politicians and everyone who's being exposed at the commissions and everything. I want to know. I'd rather do something different than being post politicians in a drama yabo yonke eyenzekayo, the corruption and everything else. That's why I haven't uploaded for so long kule channel, you guys. Yeah. So and then I sat down and I decided, you know what, since I do reviews on the other channels at any channel because no Philile Papa's Entertainment, I rather take reviews and throw them on this particular one. Politics. Of course, we can still do politics so alahlela on my other channels, but for us to have each channel politics alone, I think I then changed my mind. So don't be surprised to find reality reviews of videos on this channel. Like I said, I have announced on my other channel, guys, please come this side. I'm going to review Tandonis Temple, I'm going to review Road, I'm going to review Ngane's Temple. Every time these reality shows what I'm going to do, I will review ngesindebele, I'm gonna throw them in English, and then I'm gonna throw my reviews on this particular one channel. We rather review reality shows, you guys, than what is it dealing politicians, like honestly speaking. So yeah, I just had the second thoughts. Okay, as we know, Uthanda's Temple is back, you guys. There's a lot of drama. We've seen what was happening when it comes to season 8. There was a lot of drama. Musa Mseleku not in good terms with his wives, Mangwabe, Mayeni, Makhumalo. Even now they are back with season 9. Okay, there's still a lot of drama. He's not in good terms with, especially Mama Yeni. I can see there's just a whole lot. And also Mama Khumalo. With the Umangwabe, we know Mangwabe was someone who's got her bags standing right there by the door, eating Nyahamba, you know what I mean? But it looks like Mangwabe is still there, and she does mention she's not gonna go because her family sat down with her and said, no, you can't just leave Umendo. And also she thought, you know, if she leaves Umselo, remember he's been ill, his health has been something else. At his lowest. Okay, so I rather stay. So she stayed, she's still there, and she mentions with no, she's no longer going. There are also people who really wanted her out there, but she just wanted to prove a point. But you know what? Sisonke, my love, I'm not going anywhere. With Umakhumalo, we can see that they are not in good terms with Umakhumalo. I do not know why. This is the wife that Mina on my own. I thought, oh, Babu Musamselek no Umakhumalo, they have a good relationship. She understands him. She always allows him to do things that other wives don't allow. I do not know. Mhlawumbe they started. I do not know, like when he realized that she's no longer a yes daddy. Remember, people were calling her yes baba, yes daddy, yes this and that. So for my young kind. Or maybe the minute she stopped doing that, that's when their relationship now has changed. Because when it comes to the wife number 5, Umakwela as well, we thought that Umakhumalo is one wife that doesn't have a problem with Babu Mseleku having wife number 5. But then at the end of season 8, she's also not really, unless it was because it was said that Umakwela is also from the same village there, just like Umakhumalo. So now she's embarrassed that Babu Samselek went and married someone from lapho futhi who's younger than Makhumalo. Remember, Makhumalo was the one who was younger. Kwakungathi uyena intandokazi, abantu bethi hey Baba Msamselek prefers Makhumalo what. So now because there is the youngest Makwela, you know, I will say also things that people say in the comments. She's being threatened by Umakwela because now Umakwela say uyena intandokazi. Umakwela came and now like I do not know, man. I usually think ubaba uMsamseleko amakhosikazi akwathanda ngokufana, but thina abantu we will see izinto ngenye indlela, you know what I mean. I think just that he's not fair when it comes to Makhumalo, because kunalento yokuthi she's got a problem with having her own kids, right? So why engavumi ubaba uMseleko for them to have kids ngendlela ke esilungu okwenziwa kunabo IVF, surrogate, what like akwenziwe leyo nto. What is the problem with that? Because manje we can see him asking Umpilo to beg kids so that umuzi kaMama Khumalo can, like, how can he ask his daughter? Why is he asking his daughter ukuthi Umpilo abe ngena ozokhulisa umuzi kaMakhumalo? Umpilo angithi kumele ashadwe naye ngenye indoda ahambe ayozala abantu abakhe emzini wakhe naye, like that's what he wants for his children, right? Ukuthi baganwe yonke into ibenhle. Like he's not happy when Snare is having kids at home, busy uyamita, and my boyfriend kwathini like he doesn't like it when she has kids like that. But why now is he asking Umpilo to have kids? Something like that, you guys. I'm like, okay. So yeah, I mean, we can see what is happening season 9. Watch episode 1. Also watch episode 2. Like DSTV did have a whole episode for us, because for now, honestly, I do not have a DSTV. So at least I got to watch here on their channel, you know what I mean. So yeah, I mean, this is a drama that I see when it comes to Ubaba uMsamseleko. I'm gonna throw some of the videos, you guys, when it comes to what I've watched, what I want to talk about. So I can see the drama between him and Mayeni, the drama between him and Makhumalo. Not that Mangwabo in drama, but she's just explaining what she's not going, she's here. But yabona ukuthi uhlalele ukuthi usezothini ke Nkosi yami ukuthi ayimntana mhlale emendweni, you know what I mean. So yeah, I mean, but when it comes to Makhumalo, I do not know when are they going to fix their relationship. Nakhona why engavumi uMakhumalo abe nengane enze ngendlela yesilungu, the way izinto zenziwa ngakhona namhlanje, she can have her own kids than him preferring ukuthi Umpilo beg kids for Makhumalo so that umuzi kaMakhumalo na ukhule kube nezingane. We all know ukuthi Macele did not agree with her son uLwandle, you know what I mean. So now he prefers Umpilo to be the one doing that when he doesn't like Usneb having kids ekhaya, but he's saying Umpilo must have kids ekhaya. Like, make it make sense, you know what I mean. So yeah, I mean, you guys, with Makhwela, I think about right. I just saw a problem with Mayeni when it comes to Amada recessions, you know what I mean. I think Mayeni wasn't happy when it comes to Makhwela being prioritized or like a special treatment. That's what she said when she was complaining there, when she said Vuke Makandeni, Baba Vuke Makandeni, Papa Magamanje. Ube fresh, ube fresh, because she says when she came in kumadari sessions, I think bangena nga one amakhosikazi. So she met Makhwela coming out. Yet she's been sitting outside waiting for her time. But they prefer to put Makhwela. Impambana na Makhwela emnyango ephuma yenengena. So which means Makhwela had to go before her. Like that's what I was saying. Good, why are they not arranging the wives properly when it comes to amadari sessions? Qalo umamkhulu kulandela uMayeni, kulandela uMakhumalo, uMangwabe, uMakhwela, like number 5, she must be the last. So she wasn't happy with Makhwela being first. Uthi she got special treatment and that's none of her business, and actually in nonsense uyilungise something like that, you guys, you know what I mean. So I think kuzomele bayibukisise leyo ndaba abafake amakhosikazi in order, okay, in order, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, then ukuthi bathi Makhwela angene before amakhosikazi abezokuba happy, especially if they get there, they sit kusathiwa kungena favorite qala or mhlambe bona they were not really giving a special treatment. Mhlambe there was a reason why Makhwela had to go first than Mayeni, but obviously she wasn't happy and she came for Baba uMsamseleko whatever a little fresh Baba, because he then said he's actually tired. He was tired. Yoni what in your zela. She was like, no, how's Ukzela on my time, right? Since I've been sitting outside and you prioritized Makhwela, she came in before me, right? You know she's number 5, she must be last, but she was before me. So you won't tell me you are tired. like uyadlala veta no be fresh. She was like, hey puti, veta no be fresh ke manje kube sengathi this is your first diary session. She wasn't laughing at all. So it's all that drama, you guys. There's a lot of things that we can talk about, but I guess, like I said, my reviews are gonna be here. I'm gonna bring my reviews on this particular channel. Just put your notification bell on, like, subscribe, so that you will get my video. YouTube obviously will then throw some of my videos to you if mangabe you subscribed in okuti like my videos. And obviously if the bell is on, you will get the notifications every time I upload a video, so that you get all the reviews that I throw on this particular review.